Apple is now rejecting the major resistance at $166. Tesla broke through support the $175. Where to next? I will share my rule with you. If you are a stock investor, this video is definitely for you. Thank you. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders and welcome to the weekly stock market updates. In here, we'll share our insight of the stock market, and my mission is to share my knowledge to help more retail trader, and hopefully you can profit from the stock market. If any of the topic is your interest, I personally love to invite you to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any opportunity. Thank you. So Tesla got to be the one that need to talk about, because last week on TradingView you can see, let me just drop this blue line down first. They had an earning report on Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday the 19th. You can see it's a bit of mixed picture on that, right? Why do I say that? Let me just get my pen ready in here. The earning is not too bad, you know, it's actually up a bit. Surprise is probably the revenue side of things. Okay, on that is you can use this function on TradingView. It shows you even when is the next earning could be and the previous earning, how it impacted prices, right? So as a technical trader, I mentioned before, is more bearish because as soon as the earning report, we had the gap lower afterward, the post market. All right, now this is major, right? The $175 area. Okay, last time it dipped below. Yeah, it did come back. Looks okay. All right, now but it's below again. So pay very close attention to Tesla. If we see price stay below the gap area, this gap could act as a resistance level. The gap, you can think about it, this area here as a big bearish candle. Perhaps I will use a red one in here. So the gap, just think of it as a big bearish candle right here. Okay, so now if price come back here slowly and stay below, reject, I see price could potentially come back and test around this 140 area. This doesn't hold, we could see testing the low again, which, you know, I'll probably be a buyer back then. But for now, short term, what you can do is actually trade Tesla short, which I'm going to show you how to do that. Right, this is my broker IG. I highly recommend you guys if you want to trade stock market or even the forex market, because if you can see, they have loads of instruments to trade. That's the indices, that's the forex, that's the cryptocurrency. Crypto, you need to be a pro client like myself to trade. Commodity, bonds, ETF, and of course you have plenty of share stock market, like shares to trade like Tesla. So from here, we don't have the gap. Okay, it's a continuous chart because they even have the price movement post-market and pre-market. So you do see some gap, but not as much as the sort of cash market chart like the TradingView. All right, so combine them two will definitely enhance your trading or investment opportunity. So I highly recommend you guys to use TradingView Pro account and use IG broker to trade or invest. Right. So what is the plan? I said if we stay below, clearly if you use this chart, you can see now one thing, we do have a arguable downtrend already formed up. That's the next potential lower high through here, 175, 180 area. Good price action, I will look to sell it. All right, I said around this area because I'll show you why anyway. Bear me. Now you can put two charts side by side and you will clearly see the TradingView cash market have a gap. So I said stay below the gaps, 175, between 180 175. So on here you can use it as your advantage. We'll see that's the bearish bar come back as a support resistance on IG chart, 176, and I look to sell. So very simple, because you know, in IG you can trade to the penny. So when you set alert as well, not 175. So around here, 17570. Put here 17571. 17571. Sell price. You can put it here. Set an alert. Excellent. So it reminds me. I don't need to babysit every day on Tesla. Although I look at the market every day, but setting a reminder is never a bad thing, is it? Right. So there's two other gaps as well. So use this gap as a bearish gap, and also can you see on the right hand side through here we had a gap. Gap always closes. So I don't know, have you hear this phrase before? So we could see price close this gap gaps around 143 area. That's why I said if I'm going to sell, I will be looking to take profit around this area. That's how I use TradingView and IG to my advantage. All right, so that's the plan on Tesla. I have a bearish tone. Another one that I want to talk about is obviously Apple. Last week I said $166 is a major resistance through here. We can see we start with a weekly chart first. We have a flag. All right, so I said if it breaks above, stay above, we could see 180. Yeah, but we're now having a high test bar on weekly. Let me just make it a bit bigger so you can see it clearer. Yeah, can you see a pin bar or whatever you want to call it, a reversal bar? Last time when we had it, quite similar. Here, high test. Yeah, here high test followed with a bearish engulfing and price tank, come back, price tank. Here too, a pin, high test bar, boom, drop, high test bar here. Are we going to drop? Maybe. So keep an eye on Apple, okay? Because Apple is the most valuable company inside S&P 500. If Apple can't manage to break through, that I will see S&P 500 dropping as well. Okay, so I'm going to use Apple into my advantage to trade S&P 500's direction. If you're not very familiar with trading, I suggest you go and check out my last video of the weekly planning, because every Sunday I do spend a few hours time to plan trading opportunity on spread trading. So go ahead and watch that video. I'm sure you learn something out of it. So that's all for me for the stock market update. If you do have certain stocks you want us to cover, very simple, drop me a comment in this YouTube video or join my private trading group, which I will pin a comment, or you can find the group link in the description to join my private trading group. That way you can interact with me in a much more in-depth way, okay? So thanks so much for watching. Have a great week. See you guys next week. Thank you.